Okay, welcome to How Riles Does It. Today we're looking at how I fitted accessory sockets to my motorcycle. So only do this if you know what you're doing. I'm not telling anyone how to do this. I'm just doing this video to show you what I did and what I use my connections for. Please get help. I am not a mechanic and I'm not an auto electrician. And please subscribe, like and share my videos. I have all different sorts of videos, so thanks again, and let's have a look at what I've done. So first what I did is I looked at my service manual, and then I looked at the schematic diagrams which showed the electrical system to find out if and where I could find some connections on the bike that would be good for accessory connections. That way it would be a chance of having a more regulated power rather than just connecting wires to the battery. And then you would get surges from the alternator charging the battery. So through accessory connectors, I'm assuming that there'll be a bit more regulation through that power. Okay, so here is my accessory plugs on the front. This side on that one, that screw there, I actually drilled in through the bracket like a tap screw. That one there was just part of the frame, like those ones. Then at the back I've mounted another two, which I've just riveted on the number plate bracket, and then run the wires up under the frame here. Okay, so at the back of the seat right here, there's a bolt which could be a 10mm or a screw, or I've actually put an Allen key hex type bolt in here. You take that out. The bike's a bit dirty, it's been sitting for a while, and all the dust and fire stuff. Take all that out, and then we just take that seat off. Hook there, the hook's under there. 8mm here. Take that off. Slides off. So then with all the wiring here, that's your battery. This here is the accessories from the back. Negative is black and yellow. So white and blue. Positive with a multimeter, just to make sure you plug them in the right way. Black and yellow, 0 volts. I'll get the blue and white in here. Make sure you can see the digits, I hope. Then we have 12 volt. So it pays to check correct polarity, just to check it. Make sure you got it all right. See what the connections are. Connect them in. I run my wire up through, tucked it down under here, and then came out here and then put it in the back of the number plate. Shockies. Just make sure everything's sitting down without squashing anything important. Jump back in. Tighten, I want to make it safe. So the other ones in the front is you take the headlight off. I'm not taking that off, but it's the same as under the seat. Pull the headlight out as if you're changing a globe. and you'll find in there the 2 accessory plugs, and then you just connect it all the same. Do all your connections. I've made this bracket here on my handlebars to put my GoPro on, and I can unplug one of these, stick these in. I like these because you can plug little compressors in it or whatever, but then you can also put these in, these little adapters. It's got USB on it. Stick them in. You can see as it's accessory, you can see the blue light there, it means it's got power. And then I can plug 1 or 2 of these leads in, plug the wire in, and then of course that will, when that's undone, it's got the door on at the moment, but I can plug that in and I can run the GoPro as long as I've got the memory card. And then I can do the same at the back. Plug them in, and I've got power. You can put a camera at the back.